Hi. In the last lessons, we understood how we can use field pens to create different visuals. In this lesson, we are going to understand how we can use drill down functionality in Power BI. So let us open the Power BI desktop applications. So this is the interface that in the last sessions we have created one visuals. In this sessions we have deleted that. We will create a new visuals. Okay. So this is the field pen that we are discussing uh, in the last sessions. Okay. This is sales data. We can see. Okay. This is the sales data. These are the fields. Fields are nothing but the columns that appears in Excel sheets, and we have also data. We have the data view. We can see this is there is one date of sale column. There is state, different states and salesman name of the salesman, product, quantity, sales amount. All these things are there. So we'll come to the report view. Okay, so now we'll create this one visual. Suppose take for example, we'll create one clustered column charts. Okay, this is the clustered column chart. We can bring to the centers. Let us enlarge a little bit. So we must understand how this drill down functionality helps in uh, presenting different levels of data in the visuals. Okay. So you can see there is one sales data here. Okay, sales data, that is date of sales. Okay, under this date of sales, what happens, there is also date hierarchy. We can see it is written date hierarchy. Okay, so we have here year wise. We can present our data year wise. We can present our data quarter wise, month wise, and day wise. So according to our requirement, as per our requirement, we can build visuals according to this. But if you come to the source data, take for example source data, this is the source data. So we have the date wise the data, that means date of sales or order date or date of sales we can say. Okay, but Power BI is smart enough to club all these dates into months, into quarters, into years. Okay, suppose we want to, by default it takes it year. Okay, it is the first order level. First level data is, that is first level is year, second level quarter, then third level is month, then fourth level is date. Okay, by default it will take the, take for example, suppose it takes this as the year. Okay, then we can come to the quarter level. Okay, then month level and day level. Okay, what we can do, let us bring first, let us bring the numeric field, that is the sales amount, to the y-axis, that is the value. Okay, y-axis, let us see, this is the sum of the sales. So this is important, we have to check the what is, there is a drop down options. You can see here there is a drop down option. By clicking on the drop down options, so what this data tells about, it is the sum of the sales. So these are the different types of aggregations. As in the last lessons we have discussed that Power BI normally aggregates the values in the columns. Okay, that is the sum, maybe average, and it is presented in the data. Okay, so this is called sum of sales we have taken. So there is one order level data. We have the date of sales. Take for example, we have the date of sales. We will bring to the x-axis. This is the x-axis. Okay, so we will see. So this is the x-axis data. Okay, so we have, if you see, there are first level is year level data. Okay, suppose we want to go to the quarter level. Okay, month level, that means suppose we want to go to the see the that quarter level of 2020, then quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, like that, if we want to see how we can view this. Okay, so there is here, once we select these visuals, we can see, let us select this visuals. Once we select this visual, there is another tab that is that becomes active, that is called data drill. If we put outside, it is not there. Okay, outside of the visual, if we are putting, if we are clicking, so this data will not, this tab will not be active. So let us select this visual, then we can go to the data drill. Okay, we can see we have one drill down options. We have to activate this drill down options. We have two ways. There are two ways we can activate these drill down options. One is here, you can see, click to turn on drill down. Once we select this arrow, down arrow, drill down arrow is will be activated. Okay. So we can also same thing also we can do. If we are clicking here also, this will be also activated. So this is how we can activate drill down. That means drill down is active. So suppose I want to see this 2020 quarter level data. Take for example quarter level data. So I can click simply on 2020. We can see uh, 2020 quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, 4 quarters of 2000. So if we can see the data here, okay, so we can hover over to get the data, date of sale quarter 2020 quarter 1, and this is the sum of sales amount. So similarly we can go to the next quarter, that is quarter 2 of 2020. Okay, then 2000 that 20 quarter 3 quarter 4 data will be available here. Okay, so suppose I want to go to the like next level data, that is called this quarter, then month level. Take for example. Okay, how I can go to the month level? Take for example. Okay, so I have to click. So quarter 1 month. Take for example. So this is January. Okay, January, February, March. So this is 2020. It is written 2020. Then quarter 1, then February, January, February, March, all these things. Okay. So suppose I want to see the date level data. Take for example 2020 February. So once again I can click. So there are three dates are there, like February 20, February 6, 14, 15. So this is 2020 quarter 1 February 6, 14, 15. Okay. So this is how we can drill down our data. So to uh, uh, come back to the that previous level, we can here drill up option is there. We can click here. So we will simply that it will drill up our data. Okay. Uh, so this is how we can use drill down options to our advantage. Okay. So there are, I will deactivate, simply I will deactivate. So there is another also options that we have been given, that is switch to next level. What is the meaning of switch level? Switch to one level. So first we have seen that we that created the year wise visuals. Then we clicked on the year wise visuals. Then we went to the quarter. Then we went to the month. We visualized the month data. Then day data of a particular year. Suppose take for example. So I want to see the quarter 1 of both the year 2020 and 2000. So it will suppose I will go to the next. I will switch to the next level. You can see here is it is year. It is written year. So once I select this switch to next level, what it will do? It will completely disregard this year wise data. So it will start from this quarter wise data it will start. So that means we will not find here in the picture that year in the pictures, rather both the quarters. Suppose take for example there are 4 quarters, that means 2020 and 2021 quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 all will be combined together. Okay, that means quarter 1 data, both the quarters, that means quarter 1 of 2020 and 2021, both the data will be combined and will be that displayed in the form of a bar here. Okay, so that is the difference actually. In this case, when we use this drill down options, first we created year wise data, then from year wise data we entered the quarter and year wise data, then month wise, month, quarter and year wise data, then day, month, quarter and year wise data. But here what will happen when we switch to the next level? Take for example this is the switch to the next level. Okay, so or this is the quarter, it came to quarter. Okay, it completely disregard the year. Year is not being reflected here, it is just the quarter and sum of sales it is coming. So quarter of both the years. Suppose we have 10 years data, take for example. So it is 2010 to 2020 data. So quarter 1 of all 10 years will be combined together and will be displayed here. So if we can see here, so this is the date of that is the date of sale quarter 1. This is quarter 1 of both the years it is coming. So this is the options actually go to the next level. We can go to, suppose we want to go to the next level, next data is month. So when we have this, take for example February month data, this is the February of both 2020 and 2021. So this is the March of both the years. So both the years, that month wise data are combined together and displayed. So this is how. Then we have also date level data. That means take for example, suppose this is the date of 23 date. So 23 date. So 23 third date of all the months of both years. Suppose take for example, it is 23 of 2020, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, all these 12 months, and also that is 2021 also 23 dates, all will be combined together, all are combined together and is presented in the form of the bar. Okay, 23rd, all the 23rd date of both the years, that means each year 12 months, 12 12 12 plus 12 24 days will come, all 24 days where that of 23rd, okay, special, that will be combined together and it is presented in the form of data. Okay. So we can see next, we can come back, drill up. Okay, so this is the year wise data. Okay, suppose take for example, I want to see, that is that is expand to the next level. Okay, expand to the, there is another options that is called expand to the next level. Take for example, I want to see in my data all everything, like take for example, I want to see the year wise data, I want to see the quarter wise data, I want to see the month wise data, I want to see the day wise data. Okay. So all data will be presented here. Okay. So how we can do? So we have another option that is called expand to expand next level. So this is the options we can also click. So expand all down one level in the hierarchy. So this is the options we can see. Okay. So we can do this. Okay. So this is how we can do. Suppose this is a quarter 2020. We can see this is the 2020. One level it is. It is drilled down to one level. Okay, that is 2020 quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four, quarter 2021, quarter one. So we can see also. Okay. So this is, there is only one quarter data is there. Okay. So then we can see, we can go to the next level. See, this is 2020, 2020, quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4. So all 12 months are here. Then from quarter 1 only January and February data is there. So we can similarly we can see this like date level. Like here we have 2020, then quarter, then month, then date, all these levels of data. Okay. So this is how we can use drill down option to build our visual to basically when we have order data we can drill down. So basically what we have understood here, first we understood the drill down options, how we can use drill down option like this. Okay, how we can use drill down options like this, we'll see. So from year level data we came to the quarter level, then month level, then date level. Then we have also understood, okay, we have understood that uh, that how to switch to next level and how to expand also next level. Okay, that's for the lessons. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.